Nature is powerful. It surrounds us, astounds us, cleanses us, and makes us ask how, why. It is who we are, the reason we exist. Nature is everything. And nature's greatest gift? Air. Because when nature breathes this gift, life is created. Air has given birth to humanity. Nature's air is the pure, invisible beginning and the end. But we have locked ourselves away. We exist instead in offices, schools, houses, shopping malls, breathing 1,000 times every hour an air that nature never intended, an air that man created. That restricts our minds, harms our bodies, holds back our brilliance. We were created to breathe nature's air, and while it surrounds us, we close it out. At Naava, we believe everyone has the right to breathe nature's air everywhere. Pure air as it was always intended. We will harness nature's power and bring this gift to everyone. In every room, building, in every city, whoever and wherever you are. Because air is precious. And while our future is uncertain, the air we breathe will define it.